What's up, y'all? We got a homemade sandwich from Timo's Bar and Grill. Come on. Spicy noodle bowl. Gotta have the chips. You know I can't forget the water. Yeah, man, I think besides steak, I love sandwiches, y'all. It's homemade, man. I tried to make a Scooby-Doo. It wasn't big enough like that. You know how Scooby-Doo sandwiches be. And plus, you don't want to eat no big sandwich like that on lunch, right? Oh, I ain't put no chips in it. All right, we got the chips on it, y'all. We got the turkey, salami, pastrami, sprouts. I don't know if you know what sprouts is, man. I had sprouts the first time in 6th grade. Never turned back. Spicy.